A famous quote once said, "There is no fear when you're having fun." Every day, thousands of guys go about their lives, wondering why they have trouble talking to girls, or why it feels like they scare away every girl that comes near them. And it's funny because most guys don't realize that, oftentimes, the answer to our greatest problem is right in front of our face. In fact, it's so close that we can reach out and touch it, but somehow we still miss it. One of the smartest men to ever walk the face of the earth said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." What you're about to learn is so simple, yet so powerful, that it has the potential to forever change your life and how you interact with girls. When we're kids, we're naturally able to have fun, and everything that we come into contact with is new and exciting. But as we grow older, we begin to see the world for what it really is, and we have to start paying bills, which usually involves working a job that we hate. People start telling us that we need to grow up and get more serious, and before we know it, we're 60 years old when we finally realize that we just didn't have enough fun in our life. If you think about the last time a girl showed interest in you, it was probably when you were having a lot of fun doing something you love. You see, girls can't help but be attracted to a guy who is having fun, and it's a form of energy that is almost magnetic and has the power to draw most people to you. A guy who is fun is the guy that girls want to be around, and it's the same thing for girls. Imagine the cutest girl you've ever seen. Now, picture her walking around everywhere with a super serious look on her face, living a dull, boring life. She probably doesn't seem very attractive to you now. A little secret that most guys don't know is that all girls are like mirrors. Whatever type of energy you're giving to them, they will reflect back to you. So if you're super nervous around girls, they will seem super nervous around you. If you're unsure of yourself around girls, they will reflect this energy right back to you and make you feel even more unsure of yourself. When you're having fun with life, all girls will feel this energy and reflect it back to you. But here's the catch. You don't have to be doing something you love to have fun. The key is to have fun no matter what you're doing. If you're the guy who's usually yelling at other drivers and being negative when you're stuck in traffic, most girls don't want to be around that. In fact, being negative about pretty much anything is one of the fastest, most effective ways to make girls and people in general not want to be around you. With that said, it shouldn't come as a surprise that most of the guys in school or at work that girls spend the most time around are the ones who are the most fun to be around. There is an old saying that most of us have heard, and it says that girls just want to have fun. I used to hear this and think, what does that even mean? It's such a simple phrase, but it sums up the solution to problems that millions of guys are having every single day. At the end of the day, most girls fall for the bad boys because they live a dangerous, exciting lifestyle. I actually used to live like this, as many of us do during our teenage years, and it was during this time that I met more girls than I've ever met in my entire life. Pretty much all girls are drawn to fun guys like a magnet, and if you can get this right, you can get many other things wrong and most girls will still fall in love with you. So to apply this to your life, think about your average day. Are you smiling most of the time or are you super serious? Ask yourself if you're feeling positive or negative most of the time. Think about how you act around girls. What is the energy that you're putting out? If you want to attract girls like a magnet, remember that they are mirrors. The energy that you put out around them should be curious and fun. But the goal is to reawaken the curiosity and excitement that you had for life as a child. The point of trying to have fun with everything in your life is not to attract girls, but to make life more exciting for you, which, oddly enough, happens to work wonders for attracting girls. It's like a guy who wants to make a lot of money, but his primary goal is not to make money. Instead, he sets out to help people, and oddly enough, he ends up making a fortune doing it. All that you're doing is having fun for you, without trying to get a particular reaction. And as a result, you are attracting girls and making pretty much everyone you come into contact with want to be around you. This is how you truly become magnetic. Attract any girl and conquer life. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our new t-shirts, hoodies, and other merchandise using the link in the description. And with that said, until next time, thanks for watching.